In one of those presentations, I was actually in Detroit, Michigan, and I happened to meet one of the parish judges there in Jamaica, and she was just lovely. And in traveling to Jamaica with my husband, we've been there several times, and when we go there, I've come across so many beautiful people in the community, and we end up talking about law in general, and then they tend to ask, what is it that you do? And so when I mentioned the work that I do, the conversation came up that they were really interested. The students were very interested in the subject of wrongful convictions because there is none. There's no innocence project in Jamaica, as far as I understand. Is that correct?
Right. That's
Right.
correct.
Um, and some of them indicated the dangers in being the brave one to try and call it out. But there is a court system there. There's a justice system that exists there. The question is, how well aware is the criminal justice system in Jamaica, and how educated are they on wrongful convictions? In a recent case in the Dominican Republic that came to my attention, I realized in that case, which later ended up in an acquittal, um, that the Dominican Republic case, there were so many constitutional violations that it was shocking. So much to the
Right.
point that there was an overturning of a conviction, an immediate conviction registered there and sentenced with no trial. I'm hoping that these things and these constitutional violations aren't happening in Jamaica, but I'm genuinely interested in investing myself in what is happening in Jamaica. But as an advocate, whether it's here or I speak in the United States or another country, what does not change is the need to ensure that our system, our justice systems work, and that there's no hidden agendas for quick convictions, for the sacrifice